So my name is Temali and I'm the Managing Director of Blak Tapas. We're really trying to build an employee. It's about developing the skills on the job. So I will take anyone who wants to work to be part of our team just because we have a lot of fun in the kitchen. We all really respect each other. We get to put on these amazing big events for people. Maria has been working for me for about the last 3 years after school and on school holidays, and she had a real flair for cooking and a passion for it at the start.
My love of cooking all started from just me cooking cakes with my nana, honestly. What I love about my job is just the cooking, honestly. I love the food, I love the culture, I love how I get to cook with bush foods, I love how I get to just give back to my community, and as well as we get to cook for big businesses who probably don't know much about bush foods and stuff, and we get to share our culture with them as well. Honestly, I would love it if I could become a big star celebrity chef. But at the moment, I'm still quite young. I'm only 17, turning 18 this year. I think just to take it slow at the moment. So next year I plan to go on a gap year and still continue to work at Blak Tapas, just working on my skills and whatnot. Because hospitality, it spreads all over the world, so that can just take me anywhere.
I think everybody has the ability to be the owner of their own life, and if you want an opportunity to do something better than what you're doing now and give yourself the greatest opportunity to be the best version of yourself, then I think hospitality and tourism, especially in this cultural tourism space where you have the ability to share your own culture and the things that you know, is a really great opportunity.
So what I would say to an Aboriginal person who wants to be part of hospitality or any career in general, just go for it. It doesn't matter about the color of your skin. It doesn't matter about your background. What matters is that you honor your background, you honor your skin color, and you give it your 100%.